Welcome to another lecture of the course. This lecture is all about working with files and folders. We are going to learn how to use the command line to move or copy files, how to rename and delete files and folders, and how to use wildcards to manipulate multiple files at once. Preparation. To learn how to move files, we must first create a file to move around. So let's create a text file named cats. In the following lectures, we are going to learn how to create files directly from the command line, but for now, let's simply use the graphical interface. Let's go back to the command line to create a folder as well. Simply navigate to your desktop and create a folder using the mkdir command. Moving files. We can use the move command to organize our files from the command line. The move command is used to transfer a file or folder from one location to another. We are going to type move followed by the location or name of the file we want to move. In this case, cat along with the location we want to move it into. In this case, the cats folder. Let's verify that our file has been moved using the cd and dir commands. And as you can see, our file has been moved successfully. Moving backwards. To move a file back to its parent directory, we are going to use the move command along with the path of the parent directory, or alternatively, we can use two dots. In the same way we use cd along with two dots to navigate ourselves to the parent directory, typing move cat.txt followed by two dots will move our file backwards. Let's navigate to our parent directory to verify that our file has been moved successfully. And indeed, it has. Copying files. An alternative to the move command is copy. The copy command is used the same way the move command is. However, it not only transfers files, but keeps the original file in its place, essentially duplicating it. Let's try it. And as you can see, the original file is still here. Upon navigating to the cats folder, we can see that an identical copy of our file is there as well. You can also use copy to duplicate a file without moving it to a new directory. Simply type copy followed by the name of the file, as well as a name for our duplicate. Renaming files. To rename a file, we are going to use the ren command, followed by the name of the file or folder we want to rename, along with the name we want to give it. In this case, let's rename our cat.txt file into cat1.txt. Let's type dir to verify. And our file has been renamed successfully. Deleting files. To delete the files we just created, we are going to use the del command. Unlike rmdir, del can only delete files. Using del to delete a folder will constitute in an error. To delete both our files, we could simply enter del followed by the names of our files. However, there is a better way. Wildcards. We can delete every file that begins with the word cat by using a wildcard. Wildcards are special symbols that take the place of characters or words. The most commonly used wildcard is the asterisk. Typing del followed by a set of characters that is shared among the names of the files we want to delete, along with an asterisk, will delete all of them. Typing dir, we can see that both our files have been deleted. Summary. Use move and copy to relocate or duplicate your files and folders. Use ren and del to rename or delete files. If you are working with multiple files, take advantage of wildcards. That's it. You know how to move, rename and delete files using the command line. This concludes our lecture. Make sure you use the command prompt on your own and put to practice what you have learnt thus far. Until then, see you on the next lecture.